This is Day 2, the Lost episode. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the past. Today we're heading to Chamonix to see Mont Blanc. The reason I didn't make this video before is because I didn't think I had enough material. But the solution was simple. I made a shorter video. Today we're going to ride in many different terrains, or on many different terrains. The route we have planned is going to take us through some scenic roads and mountain passes. From sweeping mountain roads with amazing views, to picturesque Alps ski towns, and flower-covered prairies. Unfortunately, we hit a little roadblock. Col de L'iserat was closed, so we had to turn around and take rural roads. That was a mouthful. It was at this point that we decided to turn on the phone GPS to have a second opinion. The TomTom Navigator, or Drunken Thomas, was good at finding fun winding roads, but didn't know if the roads were close ahead. So we ended up just taking rural roads with still great views. Through this trip, we tried our best to avoid highways, but sometimes, like this day, we just had to. This was not my favorite part of the road. I am used to sharing highways with cars, but it's just not fun. That was a bit scary and annoying, but as always, we made it to our destination. Please subscribe, comment and like. New episodes are cooking up.